Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix WerFault.exe application error in Windows 11, 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.